In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize Quick Access Toolbar in Microsoft Excel. The Quick Access Toolbar is a small area near the top of the Excel window. It lets you keep the commands you use most within easy reach without having to search through the ribbon every time. By the end of this video, you will be able to add your preferred tools to that toolbar and show it if it is currently hidden. To begin, look at the top left corner of the Excel window. Click the File tab. This opens the Backstage view, where you can manage many application-wide settings. Take a moment to notice that the screen changes from the workbook view to a menu-like layout. Next, in the Backstage view, click Options. This button is located at the bottom left of the screen. Clicking it is important because Options is where Excel stores preferences, including how the Quick Access Toolbar is configured. When you select Options, Excel will open a new settings window. Now, inside the Options window, find and click Quick Access Toolbar in the left side menu. You will see several categories listed on the left. Choosing Quick Access Toolbar ensures you are looking at the exact settings that control which commands appear in the toolbar and what they look like. After you select Quick Access Toolbar, you will see two main areas in the window. On the left-hand side, there is a list of available commands. On the right, there is typically a list of commands that are currently included in your Quick Access Toolbar, depending on your version of Excel. Now select your desired command from the left-hand column. Choose the specific tool you want quick access to, such as a frequently used command that saves you time. Once you have highlighted the command you want, click the Add double arrow button. This button is in the middle of the window. Clicking Add moves your selected command into the toolbar list, so it will appear in the Quick Access Toolbar. At this point, it is a good idea to confirm that the toolbar is visible. Look for the option labeled Show Quick Access Toolbar. If your Quick Access Toolbar is currently hidden, you will want to check this setting. When you see the checkbox, make sure it is selected. This step ensures that the command you just added will actually show up where you can use it. Finally, after you have added the command and confirmed the toolbar visibility setting, click OK. This saves your changes and closes the options window. Excel will return you to your workbook view. Now look near the top of the Excel window. Your Quick Access Toolbar should appear, and the command you selected should be there as a button. You can test it right away by clicking the newly added command to confirm it works as expected. If you do not see the toolbar, you can go back to the same settings to verify that Show Quick Access Toolbar is checked. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.